guys, finally Sleeps here, back again with another Temu finds video. We buy a lot of stuff for the shop on Temu. It's usually just like small stuff, a lot of electrical connections and zip ties and just little things like that. So cheap and easy to buy on there. But every once in a while we'll find something that's like, I want to try that. And I know you guys have seen those viral videos as you're scrolling through YouTube or TikTok or whatever, where it's like a oxidized headlight, you can't see anything, and they put some liquid on it and it's perfect. AI slop is what you're assuming, and that's what this is. This is that liquid. It's supposed to basically chemically dissolve the plastic and clear the headlight up and be perfect and good to go. That's what it is. And when you read the instructions on the back of this, it says it's basically got to wear gloves. There's a lot of, it's a chemical. It's supposed to clear the headlight. So again, we bought this so you don't have to. We'll test it out and see if it actually works. The Honda Civic chase car needs some headlight repair. It's usually about once a year for headlight repair. Anybody who has daily that gets 30 to 40,000 miles on a car, you know how bad headlights go. But it is pretty easy. You can use the sanding technique, which is by far the most efficient and effective. It takes a while, but once you sand it down and once you get them as clear as you're going to get them, if you use Meguiar's headlight coating, this is the thing, it will keep them clear for almost a year. It works for us, and we're in the Midwest and we get a lot of salt over the winter and everything. And if you're not garaging the car, if it's a daily, it's sitting out and it gets beat up, if you get them clean and you use Meguiar's headlight coating, they will last for about a year. But right now, this, we're going to test and see if, what is the brand? IJM, ILM, something. Can't quite tell what that is. If this chemical compound will work to restore. It's got a spray bottle. You put the lid in, and then it came with shop towel and instructions. So it's all there. So we'll test it out and see if it's worth it. Here it is, headlight restore from Revive B, and the instructions basically just say, make sure you get gloves on. So I got the mechanic gloves on and just spraying it on the headlight. It just says spray it on, let it sit for a second, and wipe it off. It says you can rub and repeat until it's clear. Yeah, there's virtually no difference. We're gonna sit here and do this. We'll do it quite a bit. I'll put about 10 minutes into worth of work on this headlight and see how it goes. Yeah, it's about 10 minutes worth of work, and it's a little bit cleaner, but that's it. It didn't really clear it up. Not so much that I'm not even going to bother masking this off and spraying it with UV protectant. Yeah, we assumed it was AI slop. Being able to put that on there and then wipe it and it's clear. Yeah, it's not how it works. You could do this for hours and hours, and I don't think it's ever really going to take and restore an heavily oxidized headlight back to clear. But again, that's why we do this. I buy the product so you don't have to. Temu finds headlight restoration. What a waste. Don't waste your elbow power. If you're going to do it, just sand the headlight, do it the right way, and then use Meguiar's coating, the UV protection clear, and it'll last about a year. Don't buy this. Don't buy into the if it looks too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. Okay, if that information helped, make sure you subscribe here on the channel. Finally, he sleeps, and as long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams, in a world of games it seems.